Hi, warriors. This is Jaylyn, my legal warrior, and today's segment is going to be about the income withholding orders or an earning assignment order. If you don't know what that is, then you are in the right place because I'm going to just show you what those forms are and the purpose of these forms. So, the income withholding order is a form that allows you to collect child support and spousal support actually. So if the court has already made orders in your case, then you can collect both of those, and it would go through the Department of Child Support Services, the state disbursement unit actually. And so if you are involving the Department of Child Support Services, then you would need to use this income withholding order. If you are not involving child support services and you're collecting the funds directly from the other parent, then you wouldn't fill this form out. So there has been cases where only the child support amount is listed on there, and then later on they want to include the spouse support income on there because they didn't do it the first time, and so they have to amend the income and withholding order. And so that is not the best practice. The best practice is to ask for those two orders together and to make sure that you have your child and spouse support all listed on one paper, and have the arrears to be also listed on one paper. Arrears means back pay, funds that you should have received in the past but are still owed today. And then there's the earning assignment order. And the earning assignment order is it's only for spouse support. So if you don't have kids, then this is the form that you would need to complete. So let's show you what those forms are. So this is the earning assignment order for support or partner support. And so it shows you exactly what you need to complete in order for the court to sign it, and the judge's signature will go right on here. It's always smart to have this form at your spouse support hearing. I would even submit it as a lodgment with my pleadings, or attach it to my client's declaration if there's like space to do so. So at least submit it, and the court will have it, and they can at least sign it at the time of your hearing. So this is the form that you need to complete. These are the instructions that you could easily follow, and essentially you would take this form, make sure that it's delivered to the other party or the employer of the other party once the court does sign off on it. You do the other party is going to have notice of this. So whether you give them a copy of this or not, it doesn't matter, because they're aware of the spouse support order in place. And then there's the income withholding for support. And like I stated earlier, it has the current child support and as well as the spousal support. There's also other forms of support that you could be receiving by using this form, and this form does require that it would go to the state disbursement unit in order for you to collect the child support. It would go through them. The other party goes ahead and pays the child support through the state disbursement unit, and the state disbursement unit would keep track of the funds that are being received and would go ahead and send that to you. So if you have orders for child and spouse support, then this is the form that you would need to use. And you would just follow the instructions to ensure that this is completed correctly. And again, the judge does need to sign off on this before you submit it to the employer. Well, we hope that you found this video to be helpful. Please share this video with family, friends, because you just never know who might actually need this sort of information right now. So if you could please share the love and the resources that's available to our community, because there are a lot of information out there, and this is something that we believe would be very beneficial for individuals that are seeking spouse support and child support. Now, during the coronavirus, you wouldn't be able to file any one of these forms, but you should have it ready. If you already have a child and spouse support order, you should have that ready. And if you need to establish arrears, then at your child support arrears hearing, you should make sure that that form is handy with you when you go to court, so you can complete it and ask the judge to sign it right then and there versus process it in due course, so you can get your money sooner rather than later. Well, we hope that you found this helpful, and we hope that you have a great day, warriors.